everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new crypto meme project, and from this project you can earn a very big reward. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notifications. So as you can see, the website was open. Happy Balloon Dog is the name of this project, and detail of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join this project. It's give you many more opportunities of earning, like you can play and earn from this project, and also you can hold this Happy Balloon Dog coin and get more profit in future. So I will tell you how you can buy it and how you can make profit from this project. So first of all, this is the interface of this website. As you can see, get richer with Happy Balloon Dog, click develop, invite friend and earn Happy Balloon Dog coins. So it's basically you can earn points from this gameplay and convert into Happy Balloon Dog, and you can earn your reward. So it's a very simple method. Next you can see project progress was also available on screen. As you can see, developing a board, target rise and TGE airdrop distribution and many more things you can see in this project. So must participate in it, and coming soon it will be launched a white paper to get detailed information about this project. So must read it for more information, and you can get free token from playing games. So it's a very good opportunity to receive rewards. So it's a very good method and easy way to earn the reward, and good opportunities of earning. So these methods are very grateful for every project because it's an external income you can generate from this project. So you can must participate in it, and then you can get profitable. Now you can see you can earn level 5 referral commission, level 1 is unlocked, and many more activity you can see in this project. Next we can scroll down. As you can see, low fees, security, control our money, high transparency, speed, and you can get many more opportunities. As you can see, Balloon Dog is a crypto game that will distribute a significant portion token to community when it listed, when emphasized that we value you and your time. So it's a very good time and perfect time for investing in this project. It's also available on multiple exchanges. The most famous MXXE was also the part of this project. I will share with you. As you can see, Mexic was a member of this project, was also listed on Mexic. As you can see, HBD USDT was available, and the live chart current price was also showing on screen. You can must participate in it and be the member of this project and get more profit. It's a very simple method. You can simply buy or sell from this Mexic, and you can see current price, current transaction, each and everything was showing on screen. So it's a very good and very helpful opportunity for you. You can see high lows and market volumes, each and everything was available. So must participate in it. Then you can see the token details. As you can see, symbol was HPD, and invention value was also showing. You can see token distribution, funding illusion, and each and everything was available. Community 80%, investor 20%, and many more things you can see. So must read it, and it's a more important part of this project. As you can see, the roadmap of this project, game updates, preparing listing, and many more things here you can see in future was also available. As you can see, start of project was available, game updates, and many more things you can see. So must read it to get more information about this project, that how it's work and how you can get profit from this platform. If you have any questions, so you have ask quick question and get a response from this platform. So it's a very good and simple method of earning I will share with you, and hopefully you will know each and everything. You can simply play the game also. It's a very good opportunity for you. Simply click on a play option and you can get the details. So it's a very good thing for you. So must participate in it and be the member of this project. Also you can buy from Mexico, I will already tell you, and in future it will be listed on many more exchanges, and you can get big profit. So the current price was also showing on screen, as you can see, and it's growing up very fast, and you can also get a big reward from this platform. So must participate in it and hold this coin for future profit. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and be the member of this project to get more profit. So hope we will be meet in next video.